are getting awards. Like my kids are getting like the cutest, the cuddliest, the snuggliest.
Next we have awards for personal success. For this award we have Shaylee Hughes.
Next, we have our Personal Success Award.
Well, the awards ceremony was fun. Both Boston and Shaylee got like most approved during the year. They really have done awesome. Boston's got up 2 reading grade levels. Shaylee's reading has improved. It's been a great year for them, so very proud of them. So now I'm in Provo. Callie is at an Independence High School taking her Fitness for Life final. And then when she's done, I'm gonna drop her off at school. And then I gotta go get Jonah and get his wrist checked out. At his game last night, he landed on it pretty dang hard. Oh, come on, bud. And this morning it just felt worse, so we're going in and to go get that looked at this morning. Well, at 1:30. I was able to get him in at 1:30. So so I have that going on today as well. Busy, busy, busy. Just a day in my life in the car wash.
Oh, the extravagant life.
It's not even my car. I'm here with Denise. I met up with Denise and we're in the car wash.
Yes, this is what we live for.
Denise gets her car washed. What would you say your average is?
When I'm not working.
When you're not working.
Yeah, I was like every other day.
Every other day, you guys, she would come to the car wash.
Yeah.
But yeah, right now she's working, so your poor car is like neglected.
Totally neglected.
So Rodworks was having a clearance sale because they're changing locations, and we went in, but everything was taken. Oh yeah, you did get an urn for $3. Yeah, so we ran into Denise at Rodworks. Jumped in her car, went through the car wash. Haven't seen her in a while, you guys. So it's good to see Denise. It's been a while. She got a job working at a
greenhouse.
Yeah, greenhouse. So she has been on the pot. How many pots have you filled in the past like month, do you think?
2,000.
2,000?
We had an order of 2,000 pots and only 3 ladies are plowing custom pots for people.
Wow, and they're gorgeous. She showed us a lot of the work that they've done there, and beautiful. So people will bring their pots in, they'll fill them up, put all these plants in, and when they come and pick them up, they're either already grown or just starting
huge.
to.
Oh,
really pretty work.
Man.
Very pretty.
Custom.
This girl right here, she's got a green thumb. Her yard's looking good too.
Oh, here comes the yellow light. Punch it! Woo!
You guys, we're at the doctor for Jonah. Here's what his wrist looks like. So after watching the video, Jonah thinks he hurt his wrist on that first fall. Because the second fall looks like you hurt your shoulder, but it's his wrist, and he thinks he broke it. So we'll see. You okay?
Tired.
He's tough though. He's taking it like a champ. I really hope it's not broken, because if he has to be in a cast or anything for Hawaii, that would suck a duck. What happens if we can't get it wet in Hawaii? You gonna be okay?
Put a plastic bag over it.
Plastic bag. Saying a prayer. Saying a prayer. Because he wants to go surfing. Oh. Dang it. Saying a prayer. Hello. All right. He did not break it. It really looked broken, but it wasn't. Just majorly swollen, and he's gonna be fine. So he just needs to wear it in the brace, ibuprofen, and ice. So thank goodness, because I was like, oh, Jonah, his summer league of lacrosse starts soon, and we're going to Hawaii, and he wants to take surfing lessons, and so my heart broke just thinking if he couldn't do that. I mean, when are we going to go to Hawaii again? Who knows? And so, so I'm glad. So we're just gotta get him healed up and try to make him comfortable tonight for sleeping. He had a hard time sleeping yesterday. Yeah, so now I am at Callie's school waiting for them to get out to do carpool and go home. I do need to go to the store because we are going to make leftover beef sliders with our leftover roast beef from Sunday's dinner. So we're gonna make some of that. Yum. Yum, yum. But in the meantime, I've got some time. I have, I don't even know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes to sit here. And I am going to shut my eyes, I think, or try to, and maybe doze off. Because I am tired. Well, Ma and I are at Walmart picking up a couple of things for dinner, and she's telling me the potatoes that she buys because I just picked up a bag of russet.
No, I don't buy russet. I buy either the white potatoes. Yeah, russets when you make mashed potatoes, they're green.
Really? I don't know how you make them. I make them creamy.
No, they get icky. Trying to look to see.
Okay.
We're
grabbing stuff to make the sliders. So, oh well. Looks like we're going with my russet, Mom.
I guess so.
All right, we need Hawaiian rolls.
How many do you need? I don't know how many you're making.
Oh, they have a Sam's Choice Hawaiian rolls. How much cheaper is that? So that's $1.88. $3.34. Well, I think I'll be going with the
Wait a minute.
Sam's
Oh, I don't know.
Hawaiian rolls. They're cheaper than
How much?
King's
Oh.
Hawaiian.
Yeah, $3.34.
Yeah, $1.88. I think so.
All right.
All right, let's get 2 of those.
Sure. All right. I wonder why they're so cheap.
Because they're Sam's Choice, Ma. Sam's a nice guy.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, we are out of cereal. The kids were not impressed with the new oatmeal that I bought. And so, I'm so boring. I just always go to the go-to Honey Nut Cheerios. Is there a go-to cereal that you guys always get? My mom's like, how about Fruity Pebbles? And Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm like, I do that once in a blue moon because that is just like candy. Yeah, but if I said, look what Granny got me.
That's right.
So what is your go-to cereal? Mine is just always Honey Nut Cheerios. Can't help it. Okay, we are home, and Jonah did not break it, thank goodness, but he did bruise the bone. So he's going to be in this brace, and we'll just keep icing it and giving him ibuprofen. Ma'am, did you get some awards today at school? Yeah. Oh, can you show me the first one? The one you got on stage. Yeah, what's that one?
It is like you be like
Personal Success Award.
yes.
And then what you get in class? Friendly Friend Award? Friendly Friend?
Awesome.
You are very friendly. Oh, they look good on the fridge.
I'm just checking.
Well, we're starting on dinner, and Mom is making a beautiful salad. She's using some spinach and romaine and coleslaw that I had, green onions and tomatoes and cucumbers. And I am starting on the leftover roast beef sliders. I saw a pin, and I was like, yeah, let's do this. We have all this leftover roast beef. The recipe, I'll leave a link below. The recipe calls for Swiss cheese, or you could use provolone, but we already had American, so we're just using what we have. And of course we're using Hawaiian sweet rolls, so yeah. So we're gonna make these, and of course I'll show you how to make it, but you're gonna need some Dijon mustard, poppy seed, mayo, and Worcestershire sauce too. So we're gonna get going on this. Hawaiian
Need
rolls.
me for anything?
You just be party. Okay, so here's our leftover roast beef. And I'm gonna slice, I'm so tired. The Hawaiian rolls. And start placing them in. So the directions say to put some mayonnaise. I'm not gonna put a ton because we're gonna put it on the top and the bottom. So I'm just gonna put a little coating of it on each one. All right, I'm gonna add some roast beef on all the sliders. Okay, the recipe says Swiss cheese, but you could use Swiss, provolone. We had on hand American, and that's what we're doing. This is gonna be ooey, gooey, delicious. Okay, you're gonna mix together 1/4 cup of butter, so half a stick. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. The recipe says a tablespoon of onion powder, but that just seems... Did you see the thing stuck on that? But we're gonna do it. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Okay, I'm gonna take the mixture and I'm going to brush it on top. Cover it in foil and bake it for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. And then you're gonna take the foil off and cook it for 10 minutes. And here's dinner. It's ooey, gooey, yum.